Yeah, well, let's talk about the verdict form here, because I think something that stood out to me is how Texas does their verdict form and death penalty. Two questions to this jury, one of those being, is he a continuing threat to society, which they said yes. And I think that's one of the most chilling things about this case, especially as we were hearing so much of the mitigation, which they found there was not enough mitigation to warrant life without parole, but that there were no real warning signs when it came to Tanner Horner. Like, he worked for FedEx, as you mentioned. He's driving around in neighborhoods. He's highly functional, and he's not on anyone in the system's radar when it comes to interactions with children. Your thoughts on that part of it? Did you learn a lot from the defense side of this case?
The defense was brilliant. Their defense was essentially, this was a figure from of mice and men. They didn't use those words, but they knew that every person on the jurors would have known this story. He's the giant from of mice and men. He snapped. He didn't know what he was doing. He killed her. It's not within his character. That was their defense. That was the only thing they could play. The only card they could play. They played it. In terms of the jury form, I think it goes too far. I think it's too simple. I think the second question is fine. There's no mitigating factors. There's a tree, an umbrella that question covers that has a bunch of things that could be mitigating factors. But the first one is, are they a continuing menace to society? I don't see why that's relevant. If he's already going to be in prison for the rest of his life if you don't sentence him to jail. It's just, was it a heinous, that did it rise to the level where you should put them down because of the heinousness of it? So I think I'm fine with two questions. I just don't like the first question. But that's my take, and kudos to the defense. It was very, very, very great job they did.
Well, Michael Jaafar, I appreciate all of your analysis. This was such a hard case to watch when you have a victim that is so vulnerable like this little 7-year-old girl. It's a difficult one, but we've been breaking it down just so people understand the criminal justice system, understand the death penalty system, and we got to watch it all play out there in Fort Worth, Texas.